You are probably tired of chasing people for the $5 they owe you for coffee or split gas. It is awkward and usually involves sending your bank details back and forth like it is the 90s. I am going to show you exactly how to get that money back in seconds using a Revolut payment link or a QR code so you never have to send a manual bank transfer request again. Stick around until the end because I have a specific trick for setting these up so they never expire, which saves you from having to regenerate the same link every time your forgetful friend loses it. The reason most people struggle with getting paid back is the friction of the process. If you make someone log into their banking app, type in a long IBAN, and double check your name, they will simply do it later, and later usually means never. By using a link or a QR code, you are removing every single excuse they have. You are basically handing them a digital checkout counter that works instantly. To get this started, pull up your Revolut app and look at that bottom menu. You need to tap the Payments tab to get into the right section. Once you are there, look at the top right corner for the plus icon that says New and give that a tap. You will see a list of options, but you want to find the one that says Create a Payment Link and then specifically select Request Money. Now you just need to tell the app how much you are owed. Enter the exact amount and select the currency you want to receive. I highly recommend adding a note or a reference here, something like Friday pizza or car rental. It makes it much easier for you to track your budget later on. Once that is filled out, hit Create. Revolut will generate a unique URL and a QR code on your screen. You can either let your friends scan the code directly from your phone or hit the share button to send that link through any messaging app you use. Here is the pro tip I promised you. If you find yourself frequently requesting the same amount from the same group, you can actually create a Revolut.me username in your profile settings. This acts as a permanent personal payment page. Instead of creating a new link every single time, you can just give people your custom handle and they can pay you whenever they want. It is a massive time saver if you are the person who always ends up booking the group tickets. Now that you have your money back, you should check out how to set up Revolut Pockets so that incoming cash automatically goes toward your bills.